Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we're going to go look at 1996 KTM 360. Now this bike is a EXC model, which is wide ratio, and it's a really rare bike because they only made it for 2 years. So we're going to go look at it and see what happens. Dang bunga, like your pit vipers.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, we made it. We're here in Mesa. We're at the guy's house. So far he hasn't answered the door or answered any texts, so we'll see what happens. Alright guys, we picked up the bike and now we're at our lunch stop. We're at Carolinas in Phoenix, Arizona. And look at the tamales. Oh my gosh, man. They got chili Colorado burritos. Those things are awesome, and yeah, we're chilling.
So we just picked up this 96 360 EXC, which came with a wide ratio trans. It's got a large tank stock, but this is IMS tank. It's had some suspension valving, supposedly been rebuilt. Can't verify that yet, but we're gonna clean it up and probably be a fun bike to ride. It has a dampener on it. Somebody put a brand new sand tire in the rear, a Dunlop MX-14, so pretty good in parts alone, and we're gonna clean it up. Take a look at it.